Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about making money off of YouTube from affiliate marketing, and I'm going to explain exactly how I do it step by step in detail. So let me explain something that, when it comes to making money off of YouTube, there's a really simple strategy to follow, but when you as you actually just start building these things, building these campaigns, things get a little bit complicated. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you through the whole strategy step by step and explain exactly how you get it done, how you make videos, especially if you don't want to make videos by yourself, if you don't want to be in front of a camera, if you're not comfortable with that, or if you're just promoting a product that is just not your area, or that is not in your area of expertise. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to take you through the whole thing step by step to explain exactly how you do it and how you do it right. So before we start, if it's your first time visiting my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day, and hit the bell icon to get notifications when a new video comes out. Also, like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know if you have any questions about the video, or if you have any questions about affiliate marketing and online business in general, by leaving a comment under this video. And just leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go to my computer and let's continue the video over there. Alright guys, so let's talk about the first and most important thing when it comes to making videos on YouTube and actually making affiliate commissions from YouTube using videos, obviously. So the first thing is making your videos, because sometimes if you're an affiliate, if you're like me and you promote multiple products, or if you're just brand new, this is something you gotta do. You're gonna be able, you have to promote multiple products, and sometimes the products you promote are products that sometimes you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Sometimes you might be able to just make videos, but let's say it's a product that is not related to you in that level, or you don't know much about it, or you're not just comfortable being in front of a camera to talk about it. Alright, so, or maybe you're just camera shy and you just don't want to make any videos at all. And this is like the beauty of this strategy I'm going to teach you. So the first thing is making your videos. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to explain how I make my videos, and then I'm going to explain like how you actually make videos that are going to get you sales. That's really important. Alright, so let's get started. Let me just close my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a website called Fiverr.com. okay, and this is a website where you go and find people who will make videos for you. So the way you got to do this is, first of all, let me actually bring my video again. Alright, so the way you do this is, first of all, you need to write a script. Now, your video script, maybe like you need to write a script that you're gonna send to these people, and they're gonna read it for you, and they're gonna make a video out of it. So I usually do a 200 to 400 word script. Okay, so the video length is gonna be decent. And the way you do this is the important part. You got to do some research. Let's say you're making a video about weight loss, right? So you want to do some research to figure out what you want to talk about, and then like 90% of your video is going to be you providing value. You want to give people information, right? And then 10% of it, like at the end, you ask people to click the link, click your affiliate link to check out the product you're promoting, or click the affiliate link to learn more if you want to see how I do it, something like that, right? So so that's really important. So the 90% of your video is going to be providing value, just giving good information, and then 10% you're going to ask people to click your links in description, to click your affiliate link because you're promoting an affiliate product. So that's how it works. So you send them, you write their script, and you send them these scripts. And let me actually show you how it is. So you want to search for video spokesperson, okay? And you're gonna be able to find a ton of people, like hundreds of people, literally, like they just do these things for you. It depends on their style, what kind of video it is. Like you want it to be super amateur, or you want it to be really professional. However you want it, they can get it done for you. Okay, so that's the first step. So that is the first step. Let's talk about the second step here. Let me just bring my video one more time. Okay, so now you have your video. This itself, the whole writing your scripts and ordering it on Fiverr, that takes a while. So just be patient with that.
and make sure to spend time on your script to make sure it's a good script. Give again, as I said, provide value, and then at the end just ask people to click your affiliate link to go to your affiliate site, to the affiliate site. Now let me explain about the overall strategy of this thing, because that's really important for you to understand. The way we do this is that we build a YouTube channel around one product. Okay, so for example, if you're promoting an ABC product on ClickBank, what we do is we build a YouTube channel, we call it ABC review or ABC information, or you can just call it you don't have to name it use the same product name, but you can use the niche. So let's say your channel is about you're promoting a weight loss product. You can say your channel name can be weight loss tips or something like that. So again, just name it something related to that product. Okay, and what we do is we post 5 videos on the YouTube channel. All these 5 videos, they're going to be informative videos. Okay, so that's the first step of building your YouTube channel. You're going to post 5 videos. All of these videos are informative videos. You just teach people cool things that they can use actually to solve their problem. At the end of these videos, you can ask them to click your affiliate link in the description. That's it. Okay, so that's 5 videos. The next step, that's the overall strategy. And by the way, affiliate networks, if you're looking for products to promote, you can start with ClickBank and JVZoo and the Varsity Affiliate Program. I talk about all of that stuff inside my course. I'm going to leave a link in the description. That's going to take you to my video marketing course. So you see more details over there. But so let's go back to the strategy. So as I said, 5 videos. Okay, 5 videos in there. All of these 5 videos are valuable videos, and at the end you promote your affiliate product at the end of these videos. And next step, which is ranking your videos on YouTube, there's a couple of things I want to talk about. Okay, and that's like really important. The first thing is having a schedule when it comes to posting videos. So let's say you post 5 videos. That's the base of your YouTube channel, right? After that, obviously you don't want to make a video every single day. If you do, if you're making your own videos, that's fine. Okay, you have the ability to do that. But obviously, if you're ordering your videos on Fiverr, you don't want to spend $30-40 every single day on a video on Fiverr. If you're okay with that, that's perfect. But I usually don't recommend it. But something you should do is this is like the most important factor when it comes to ranking your videos on YouTube after title and everything. I'm going to talk about video optimization, but it's important to have a schedule on YouTube. So if you want to post a video every single day, you should post a video every single day. If you want to post a video every single week, let's say you choose Monday, you post a video every single Monday. Or if you want to post a video once a month, post a video once a month. Have a schedule. Let's say you post your video on 14th of every month. Okay, so that's your schedule. It's important to follow a schedule on YouTube because that's really important to your ranking. So that's something I strongly recommend you to follow. Okay, after posting your initial 5 videos on that specific YouTube channel, post a video every month or a week or something, whatever, however you're comfortable. The more videos you post, the better. But if you're doing it on Fiverr, if you're ordering your videos, obviously you don't want to spend too much money. So that's that. So after you have your 5 videos, and you post a video once a week or once a month, the next step to growing that YouTube channel is having ads. Okay, running ads. Now, running some ads is going to allow you to just kind of boost everything on your YouTube channel and give that initial push to your YouTube channel. Let me explain why YouTube ads are really cool. And I personally, when it comes to my advertising budget, I spend about 70% of the money I spend on advertising on YouTube ads, because YouTube ads are just absolutely powerful. And first of all, they're super cheap, and the results with them are just crazy. Okay, because I do Google ads, I do Bing advertising, I do YouTube advertising, I do Facebook advertising. Around all these ads that I do, okay, YouTube ads are just the most powerful and most highest converting ads that I do, simply because YouTube video ads work. Okay, so when you build that YouTube channel, with 5 videos, what you need to do is you need to run some ads, maybe $10 a week. You know, you don't have to spend a ton of money on advertising, but some money, and at that $10 is going to get you a considerable amount of views, so it's not nothing. So that, you know, initial ad is going to give you subscribers, because these are real people watching your videos. So it's going to get you subscribers, it's going to get you views, and it's going to get the ball rolling. So it's important to do that. Now let's talk about your video optimization. Now let's say you do your videos, you know, you order them on Fiverr, now you want to upload it to your YouTube channel. Next step is to optimize your videos to make sure you get enough organic traffic on YouTube. Now let me explain how I optimize my videos. So let's go to YouTube and let's close my video. So let's say my video is about weight loss. So we're just going to continue that weight loss video thing. So what I'm going to do is let's say my video, the video I just made, you know, using Fiverr, is about based on the research that I did, is about losing weight using a special breakfast diet or something like that, right? So I'm going to do a search on YouTube, lose weight breakfast. So let's see what we get. So as you see, you know, you're gonna get some search results. So there are two things when it comes to ranking your videos on YouTube that you gotta pay attention. Okay, that's really important. After, you know, uploading frequently and, you know, having a upload schedule, which I talked about a minute ago, and that is your headline and your thumbnail. Okay, these are two most important things on YouTube, because this is what gets people to click on your videos, right? So you want to make sure that you actually have a good headline. So, and the best way to actually find a good headline is to see what other people are using. Now, the thing is, you don't want to just completely copy someone else's headline, but what you can do is, you know, doing a search like this is going to give you ideas on what kind of titles you should use. Okay, so for example, let's say 5 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss, fast burning, best fat burning breakfast. So, you know, so there are just a bunch of headlines. Obviously I know this one for this keyword is ranking the highest, so I can just mix it, right? I can say 5, or I can say 7 healthy breakfast, 7 healthy delicious breakfast ideas for losing weight, or something like that. You know, again, the whole idea is to just mix up to get ideas from top ranking videos and, you know, come up with better titles. Or I can say 5 or 7 healthy breakfast options for weight loss, or something like that. You know, like I'm just mixing them with other ones. And another one is, you know, having good thumbnails. Now, in my YouTube course, I talk about thumbnails because they're really important, and there's a lot of work when it comes to making good thumbnails. So I talk about it in my course. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so check it out. And thumbnails are another thing. And when you do a search like this, you get a ton of ideas on thumbnails. You know, you get a bunch of good ideas on thumbnails on how to, you know, make the best possible thumbnail for your video. As you see, for example, on this search, you see that this one is using using text inside the thumbnail, and it's also showing like a bunch of foods in there. So that gives me an idea. Again, more text, and there's a before and after photo, which, you know, that's another idea. This one doesn't have any text, but look at this. There's text. So the first thing I learned just looking at these thumbnails was that I gotta use text, okay? And something else I noticed was that it's important to show the food in there. So that's another thing. So see, guys, I'm learning as I just do my research through this. So it's important to have to do the research, to learn more, to get a bunch of ideas for your headline, and also get a bunch of ideas for your thumbnail. Alright, so let's talk about another thing which is really important. This comes from my experience, and I think that you should definitely be careful when it comes to doing YouTube like this. So about 4 years ago, I built a YouTube channel like this. Just one. This was like one of my first YouTube channels that I built, and this particular YouTube channel was making me $200 a day. And because I was just kind of brand new to internet marketing back then, and I was making enough money, I was happy with this, and I just stopped doing everything else. Like what I did was I had one YouTube channel, it was making me commissions, and I was just happy with it. So I didn't take that money and put it back to make more videos or make more YouTube channels. I just let it just do its own thing and make me money. And over the time, like 6-7 months later, it started dying. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make here is that, guys, you want to build multiple YouTube channels. Okay, so when you make your first YouTube channel, you finish it up, you're running those ads, you're growing it, you see that you're getting some commissions, you're getting sales. What you want to do is you want to put that money back and build more YouTube channels, make more videos, like just grow your empire. That's the point I'm trying to make. If you see the money coming in, don't get too excited. Just put that money back on your business and make more YouTube channels so you can make more money. So this is like the most important thing when it comes to making YouTube channels and doing your business, making money using this strategy. So it's important to build multiple YouTube channels. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn all of these things in detail, click the link in the description. That's going to take you to my YouTube course. Unfortunately, in this video, I couldn't just get into the details because I like to get as detailed as possible. If you ask any of my students, they tell you that, I like to get as detailed as possible. I always like to show everything click by click, and unfortunately, I couldn't do it because it's going to take me hours and hours to do that. So if you want to see everything click by click, if you actually want to see me building these YouTube channels and campaigns right in front of you, you can definitely check out my course. I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to my YouTube channel course. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you have any questions about affiliate marketing or online business in general. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you later on.